I want to be in Australia. You like the hat? Another place where Aussies love to cook is out here on the barbie. But barbecues are the cause for many home fires. And here, the key to fire prevention is good maintenance. Check the condition of gas cylinders and hose connections. And remove any combustibles from around the barbecue before using it. Never put flammable liquids like these on your barbecue. Flammable liquids, cooking oil sprays, and petrol. And if you smell gas, shut off the gas cylinder immediately. And if it is a leak, get it fixed. Don't keep cooking. Whoa! Kids, barbecues, and alcohol consumption can be a recipe for disaster. Always make sure that there's a responsible adult around who can keep the grandkids away from open cooking. Oh. La 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 la. Ooh. La 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 la. Ooh. La 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 la. Ooh. La 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 la. Oh. Okay, let's just go back over the main points we've covered in this DVD. Never leave your cooking unattended. Be careful of loose sleeves, tea towels and curtains. Turn pot handles inwards so they can't be knocked. Good barbecue maintenance is the key to barbecue safety. Don't overload power points. Don't place things too close to heaters. Nothing should be nearer than a meter to a heater. Check all electrical appliances to make sure they're working safely and throw out frayed cords. Always put a screen in front of an open fire or fireplace. Lint filters need to be cleaned every time dryers are used, as the fluff can catch fire. Clean the fluff off before you use the dryer. Smokers should never smoke in bed. Make sure you extinguish cigarettes properly, with water. And smoke alarms need to be tested monthly. Change the smoke alarm battery every 12 months on daylight saving. When you change your clock to be safe and calm, also change the battery in your smoke alarm. Have a home escape plan. Practice it with the family. We hope this fire safety DVD has helped you understand about fire prevention and given you information and ideas to help protect you if ever a fire does happen. Look, it's just a question of thinking ahead, of being prepared. As they say, better safe than sorry.